PRABU Tapa Agung was an old king. He had 2 daughters, Purbararang and Purbasari. PRABU Tapa Agung planned to retire as a king. He wanted Purbasari to replace him as the leader of the kingdom. Hearing this, Purbararang was angry. "You cannot ask her to be the queen, father. I'm older than she is. It's supposed to be me, not her," said Purbararang. But the king still chose Purbasari to be the next queen. Purbararang then set a bad plan with her fiancé, Indrajaya. Together they went to a witch and asked her to put a spell on Purbasari. Later, Purbasari had bad skin. There were black dots all over her body. "You are not as beautiful as I am. You cannot be the queen. Instead, you have to leave this palace and stay in a jungle," said Purbararang. Purbasari was very sad. Now she had to stay in the jungle. Every day she spent her time playing with some animals there. There was one monkey that always tried to cheer her up. It was not just an ordinary monkey, he had magical power. And he also could talk with humans. The monkey's name was Lutung Kasurung. He was actually a god. His name was Songyang Gurumina. Lutung Kasurung planned to help Purbasari. He made a small lake and asked her to take a bath there. Amazingly, her bad skin was cured. Now she got her beautiful skin back. After that, she asked Lutung Kasurung to accompany her to go back to the palace. Purbararang was very shocked. She knew she had to come up with another bad idea. She then said, "Those who have longer hair will be the queen." The king then measured his daughter's hair. Purbasari had longer hair. But Purbararang did not give up. "A queen must have a handsome husband. If my fiancé is more handsome than yours, then I will be the queen," said Purbararang. Purbasari was sad. She knew Purbararang's fiancé, Indrajaya, was handsome, and she did not have a fiancé yet. "Here is my fiancé, Indrajaya. Where is yours?" asked Purbararang. Lutung Kasurung came forward. Purbararang was laughing very hard. "Your fiancé is a monkey. Ha ha ha." Suddenly, Lutung Kasurung changed into a handsome man. He was even more handsome than Indrajaya. Purbasari then became the queen. She forgave Purbararang and her fiancé and let them stay in the palace.